Okay, this is a short video for the people over on the uh, Kenwood R-5000 forum on Groups.io that is talking about chasing problems with PLL2 and PLL3 unlocks, and right now we're talking about these. If I can quit shaking these coax cables, and I'm going to just use this one as an example. You see, I've got my pokey tool right here. This is the ground connector going through the board, and the center connector for the coax plugs in over here. So as you go plugging these things in and out, if you've been swapping these boards in and out, you have a tendency to want to push down, and you put downward pressure on this coax or on this solder connection on the other side of the board, and you can crack it and break it. And if you break this solder connection, that's a bad thing. And so that's what I'm referring to when I say downward pressure. You want to try to slide these things in and not in and down. So if this thing wiggles around a whole lot, that's a bad thing. You not only have this one, but you have one over here, and you have one over here, and you've got some on the board on the other side. You've got them all over the place. So this is the one that has broken on me, that I didn't realize it, and I checked it. So this is what you got to watch out for, because it was a crack, and my 72-year-old eyes didn't really see it until I noticed that, hey, I had a lot of downward movement on this thing. So be warned and be careful. This is Rick. This is going on my YouTube channel. Like and subscribe. Be careful.